There's a new.
Yeah, right next to us on the left side here.
There you see, guys, a whale. Should be coming up again shortly. There we go. That's a whale, ladies and gentlemen.
There she is.
Look how beautiful it is.
It's a younger whale. It's a small whale, but it only, I think,
Makes you want to kiss it.
It's been around here all summer.
Ah, there we go. How cool. Depot Bay, Oregon, guys. Whale watching. Nothing better to do right now. Oh my God. That was cool. That was cool.
That's a cool one. Oh, there you go.
There we go. Whale. First time whale watching. I'm getting lucky today, so. I'll be more. Oh, there we go again. Oh.
Yeah, some of the whales. Oh, it's a nice tail shot. Some of the whales, like this one, is one of our normal residents that's here all summer, the last 2 summers.
Keep an eye out for it again.
You see him almost every single day. Some of these other whales we see frequently, but they're not always right off Depot Bay. This whale, almost every day, is within a couple miles of Depot Bay.
Oh, easy riding.
And he just put his tail up. That means he's going to be down for a little bit. Usually when they either arch their back or put their tail up, that's the end of their time cycle. Probably be down for
I got some
about 2 years now.
Yeah.
I like the sun on the fire.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. I will paint it.
This is so fun, guys. You guys gotta come do it. You got my sister, who's got I love her to death. Oh my God. See, that's why my sister's smart. She has her hand on the rail. My mom is too, but this is fun. Few ducks. Can't really see them, but you can hear them.
How deep do they dive? Whoop! And then they go out again?
Well, eventually. They go where the fish are.
Why do they go out? Like, what?
Being on the Pacific Ocean and Depot Bay, Oregon, guys, this is beauty.
That reserve so that they can go to Mexico.
Yeah.
When you're in Mexico,
I hear about that. I like it.
it's warmer.
Can they breathe without coming out?
Oh, yeah. You drink for a long time.
Mom, say hi. She's my favorite one, my sister.
I should give him the finger.
She didn't give me the she didn't give me the finger. She did not give me the finger. No. No, she didn't do that. YouTube would not like me if I did that.
No, my dad will let me out because they can fall. They can fall into the water.
But guys, look at all this.
Water.
Let me zoom in. This is just this.
No, I like
This
it.
is
I
paradise.
don't even have proof about it. The only proof will be Ryan's YouTube video. It's only funny. Well, funny but not funny because I have everything on my phone, so I was just like, because how do I get the SIM cards? But, like, no, I will not.
Whee! Still scared.
Uploads, you know,
There's dogs.
Oh, did you see it?
Yes, I saw
There must be another whale.
Straight off the sand side here.
Where?
It was right over here. Maybe it should come up again.
Sure.
Oh, right there.
yeah.
There we go. I got a.
She came
Can't,
out.
oh, there we go.
Little one. It looks little.
It looks little because we are far. I think she's a big one.
Here, come on.
Now he has to come.
Oh, so that just came out of the water. That was a whale.
Okay.
Kind of tough to zoom in as far as my
Razor.
phone will let me, but got some good footage of it.
We could be out there.
It's even better that we're on the front of the boat.
But I think the boat's gonna go like
But they have radar, so they know where it's at.
Dream Signal's going to be down here a little bit. We're just going to kind of cruise back slowly here because I knew there was a couple behind us and there's other boats past us and he saw them just back over a little bit here. We'll see if we can look at another one or two here on the slow roll back here.
Front of the boat for whale watching in Depot Bay.
I wanna do Titanic so bad, but I don't wanna go to the front again. Now only Philip is missing here.
Yeah.
He was here.
Yeah, I just put the video that we were here.
I already did it yesterday. I sent him a video of like the sunset was like, we were here. I was like, I was here for this. I'm like, no, but it's not the same. I'm talking about the views. I'm talking about...
My mom's getting scared now. I'm sitting. I'm smart.
Windy.